Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is another vlog of me unboxing my newly purchased vlogging camera, and that is my new DJI Osmo Action 5. Okay guys, eto na ang ating box. Open this one. Guys, you know what? Ang dami ko nang napanood na videos about unboxing. Ito. Ang problema kasi nito, hindi kasi ako guys masyadong tech. Tingnan natin kung paano natin open siya. So, yan. Open natin. Wala tayong answers. Alright. There you go. This is the DJI. Guys, parang kinakabahan ako na natatakot akong open to box na to. Parang hindi ko mapapanindigan yung pagbili ko nito kung saan ko ba siya gagamitin talaga. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. This is the top part. So, we'll open this one. Tama ba? Up. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Micro SD. With micro SD kasama. And then, holder. The battery. Kasama pa siyang pakasama ito. What's in here? Nothing. The camera, yung pinaka holder, and yung kanyang battery. Guys, kasi nalilito ako kasi dalawa yung camera ginagamit ko. Isa dito sa gilid kasi ito yung pang reels ko, and this one is for my vlogging. This is the battery. This is the battery. Isa lang yung battery. Akala ko tatlo. This is the accessories right inside. Here is the accessories. So, ano meron sa accessories natin. And this one. Ooh. Okay. It's the cord. And this is the case. There's another battery right inside here. So, dalawa yung battery talaga niya. May stand ba siya? Magnetic, whatever. And then, may mga knob. Or, I don't know what that is. Basta, paglaruan na lang natin. Basta guys, paglalaroan ko na lang kung paano ko gagamitin to. Hindi guys, kailangan ko pang manood ng mas maraming video kung paano gamitin tong Action 5 kasi grabe, nakaka-overwhelm. Hindi ko alam pa paano to gagamitin. Guys, help me. And then this is the camera. Ang liit-liit lang pala niya, grabe. Kasing liit lang ng aking daliri. Maliit lang siya guys. Okay yan guys, na-open na natin. Nalagay natin yung battery. I think this time, kailangan ko na siyang paglaruan. Parang yung damdamin ko, pinaglaruan lang ng iba. Yung damdamin ko, pinaglaruan lang ng iba. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Ang ganda niya. At ang liit-liit pa. Ang ganda niya. Oh, hey! Look, yung Action 5 talaga naman. Atake talaga. This kind of size guys, yung talagang pang outdoor talaga siya. Pang outdoor adventure talaga siya. Anywhere pwede mo siyang dalhin. No, sobrang liit niya. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang camera na gandang kakapaling lente, tapos ganyang kabalki. Ito, sobrang liit lang niya. Grabe. Is it worth of $499 guys? I don't know.